Today I'm going to be making slime on this swing. Start with my glue. Oh, I'm gonna make it blue today. And I will scent it tropical soda. Now I have to mix it all together. An activator. It's nice being out here. There's a pond behind me, and I like making slime while it's swinging. It's fun. Would you guys ever make slime on a swing? Let me know. I'm gonna go higher. Let's see if I can do it. Wow, the swing is high. Uh-oh. Ah. Woo, this is fun. Oh, she got hit in the face. Thanks for making slime with me on the swing. Let me know where I should make slime at next.